How's that? Is that better? Oh, what's going on? Welcome to London, everybody. Yeah, this is a bit of a different kind of video. I take London for granted quite a lot, actually, and I'm only about 40 minutes away from it, really. It's a scene where you find hundreds and hundreds of supercars on a regular basis. It's a place where there is glorious food, as I'm sure you've seen in the B-roll leading up to this point. But more importantly, we're getting close to Christmas now, which means that we have Christmas lights pretty much everywhere. And I don't think, if I remember right, I don't think I've ever done a night video. And that's probably because the cameras I've had in the past just have been so bad that you just can't film stuff. But yeah, we're here to have a look at some Christmas lights. I've got the missus holding the camera. You looking forward to Christmas? Yes. Yes, you are. Yeah, see? No hands, we like this. So we're gonna have a quick look around. I don't really know what the purpose of this video is. It's a kind of vloggy kind of format, so you'll have to bear with us. But yeah, we're gonna go to Mayfair. We're gonna have a quick look at Annabel, see what's going on there, and just check out what's going on in London. So let's do this. The other thing with London is that everything kind of echoes off the walls. Yeah, this sounds great in London. They're really strict at the moment as well here in London on people making noises and ASBO stuff. They give you fines and tickets and all that fun stuff now. But it's just so difficult not to want to drive like an ASBO. Then make a U-turn. Anyway, I'm continuously missing my turning. Now this is hilarious. In fact, it's not. It's quite embarrassing. Make a U-turn, then turn left onto Seymour Place. Oh my word, this is painful. Head south on Great Cumberland Place towards Brunswick Mews. This is such a calamity. Anyway. Turn left onto Edgware Road, A5. The bloody sat-nav's done more talking than I have in this video. Yeah, we're heading to Annabel's because there's some fancy Christmassy stuff there. So yeah, that's where you want to go, isn't it, Annabel's? Yep. Alright, we're going to Annabel's. Congratulations on your 2 words in this vlog so far. Thanks. Yeah. I'm trying to get the missus more involved in some videos, just because whenever I have girls in my videos, they tend to do well. Anyway, right, let's do this. Let's go. London is busy, proper busy, man. You got Winter Wonderland as well. So for those who aren't familiar with the UK, once a year in London we do Winter Wonderland, which pretty much is an excuse for everyone to feel like a child and drink a whole load of mulled wine and go on super over expensive rides. I mean, that Ferris wheel was probably about 30 quid to go on. Do you have a problem with my driving, lady? No, of course not. You sure? A little bit. Straight. Look at that. Nice, isn't it? You like that? Nice. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That is amazing. That looks incredible. Look at. So this is Annabel's in London. That's insane. I mean, there are people taking photos everywhere. That's oh wow. Yeah, let's that looks amazing. Annabel's, that looks incredible. They've proper gone to town on that as well. We need to try and find some parking in this this labyrinth. There's a nice Porsche dealership over there, right in the distance. Very, very nice. But yeah, they've really gone to town with the decorations outside Annabel's. That's incredible. So I want to see what that's like. Problem is finding parking here in London. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. It's clearly chaos tonight. And I can actually say the word chaos and mean it, because it is chaos around here at the moment. Do you reckon it'll be alright then? Yep. If not, we'll all get tickets together. Right, let's go and find Annabel. That looks so good. Come on, let's go. Yeah, there's one for Tima Bath. Cheeky little spider. Looking good. I still have a lot of love for this car. I really like this, man. Looks nice in white. Cheeky Itsu. I'm in full tourist mode now, guys. Oh, Right, so that's you sorted, isn't it?
Yep.
Alright, I think we need to check out Oxford Street. I think we'll do Oxford Street in the car though, man. So Oxford Street normally, every year never disappoints, so hopefully it doesn't this year. This is a very random video, but yeah, I'm hoping you guys are liking this. I am, I'm having a great time, so let's go Oxford Street. Have we got a ticket? I don't know, have we? No, we good? In we go! Start her up. And off we go. There's so many people out there going, oh god, this boy racer. This is literally the closest to the heart of London that you're going to get. Literally. On the left there you've got Oxford Street, in front of you you've got Regent Street. You've got some funky signs all over the place. Look at the amount of people just crawling around everywhere. It's mad. And in fact, to be fair, we're probably in the worst, we're probably the worst mode of transport there possibly is to be around London. But arguably the most comfortable. So yeah. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. This place is stunning. Absolutely stunning.
Oh.
How was that?
Oh my god. Jesus.
Is it a bit quick for you, lady?
A little bit, yes.
A little bit quick for you, lady.
Little.
Yeah, I've just realised, look at the sat-nav, it's actually got some little pictures on it. It's the first time I've ever noticed it. The Mercedes sat-nav has some form of substance to it. Sick!
Jesus Christ.
That sounds so good, man. So good. Wow, that sounded mad. Sick. Did you hear the M5? That M5 is ridiculous.